Okay, so we have this mock-up of a potential house for a customer. Maybe we want to do some kind of a rendering for it. So let's go ahead and do that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this handy dandy cube that I've been using, and I'm going to make that my sky. So let's rotate this guy on Z by 90 degrees, and I'm going to let's get a front view. Let's grab this on Z again and move it up. Awesome. Let's scale this a little bit. Cool. And let's look at it from the side view. Let's grab this on Y and move it back behind what we've built. All right, awesome. And then, depending on what we do for camera angles and things like that, we should be able to have something that looks pretty decent. Now, the thing is, there is no actual texture applied to this. So let's go ahead and make a material for this box. So I've already got that up. Going to material properties, and we'll create a new one. We'll call it we'll call it sky. And then what I'm going to do is let's move that up a bit. I'm going to go down to the base color, and there is an option for sky texture. All right, voila. Except it looks the same whether I'm in this view, whether I'm in the view, the textures. But if I go to rendering, it should apply, but it doesn't seem to be. But I do see down here that Nishita is not available in Eevee. Now, there's a couple of different options here. I'm going to just kind of click through them and see. Well, there we go. Now, as far as the Eevee thing goes, for those of you that are not aware, if I go up to my render properties, there are different rendering engines, Eevee, cycles, etc. That's a whole subject in and of itself. But the point is, I now do have something resembling a sky. I'm going to go back and take a look at what the other options were. Where were we? Oh, right here. Let's see what that one looks like. Very dark. Although I don't have the scene lit, so I mean that might be all right. I guess I'll go with this one, and I mean it's yeah. I think that that should be okay for our purposes.